Hi, welcome to Software Basics. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the bin icon from your desktop. Okay, so if you're like me and you like a very clean desktop and you want to completely remove absolutely everything, Windows default doesn't actually let you remove the bin, so you can't delete it. You'd have to disable it. And to do that is quite simple. On Windows 10, you need to navigate to your settings. You can click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Then go to personalization and then click on themes and then click on desktop icon settings. Now once you're here, it's quite simple to do. Just simply disable recycle bin, and I'll just show you that this will now disappear the minute I click apply. So now your desktop is completely free and your bin icon is gone. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. It's very simple. If this video helped you out, please make sure to leave a like and of course leave a comment if you have any questions down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.